How to lock Netflix profile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can lock your Netflix profile. In order to lock your Netflix profile, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First thing, you have to log in. For that, open up a browser or an application and type in your credential, log it into your account. So once you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now right on this page, you have to go and tap on the profile icon located in the top right hand side corner, and after that you need to go to account. So as you click on account, then you'll be able to see multiple options, and under it you need to go and select set pin. So after you do that, you'll be able to see this sort of interface. So here you need to go ahead and create a pin, and after that you need to confirm it by typing it twice, and as soon as you've done that, you have successfully set or locked your profile on Netflix. So that's basically how you can lock your profile on Netflix. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.